All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's video, we're gonna add mixed fractions, right? So the question says 2.5 plus 1.25, right? So whenever you get question like these, the first thing you need to do is to convert the mixed fractions or the mixed numbers into improper fractions, right? In other words, make them top heavy, right? So 2.5, we're going to convert that into an improper fraction, right? So how to do that? Pretty easy, pretty simple, right? So all we're going to do, we're going to multiply the whole number by the denominator. And the product, we're going to add it to the numerator, right? So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5 over 2, right? 5. Let me use a different marker. Five over 2 plus, we're also going to convert 1.25, right? Same procedure, we're going to multiply the whole number by the denominator. And then we're going to add the numerator. So 4 times 1, 4, plus 1, 5 over 4. So now we have 5 over 2 plus 5 over 4. Now the next step, right? If you look closely, you will have realized that the denominators are unlike. In other words, they are different. Whenever we're adding fractions that have different denominators, what do? We find the LCM, which is the lowest common multiple, right? As you all know, how to find the LCM, you can definitely look in your timetables, or you can just list the multiples of 4, then list the multiples of 2, and the lowest that they have in common would be the LCM. In this case, it's 4. So I'm going to draw a line below the fractions, and then I'm going to put my 4. Right? The next step, I'm going to ask myself, how many times 2, which is the denominator over this side, can go into 4, right? 2 into 4, 2 times. That 2 will be multiplied by the numerator, right? On this side. And then I'm going to ask myself, how many times 4 can go into itself? 1 time. That one will be multiplied by the numerator on this side, right? So now we're going to multiply the numerators now. So 2 times 5 is 10, plus, putting back our sign, and 5 times 1 is 5. So we're going to write back our common denominator, which is 4. And then we're going to add the top. 10 plus 5 is 15. Right? The answer is 15 over 4. If you want to convert this back to a mixed number, it's pretty easy. We're going to ask ourselves, how many times 4 can go into 15? Right? 4 into 15, 3 times, 4 is 12, leave 3 remainders, right? And the denominator will be 4. So as an improper fraction, the answer is 15 over 4, and as a mixed number, the answer is 3 3/4.